Alright friends, in today's video, we're diving into something super exciting, Windsurf Code Editor, the tool that's been creating quite a buzz recently. And just like we built an AI chatbot using Cursor AI before, today we're creating another powerful AI tool with zero coding required. So stick around till the end. And if this video brings you value, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, we need to download Windsurf. Head over to codium.com/windsurf. Don't worry, the link's in the description for your convenience. Click on it and you'll land on this page. From here, pick the version that matches your OS. I'm on Windows, so I'll choose the Windows option. If you're on Mac or Linux, your respective version will show up here. Just a quick heads up, Windows 10 64-bit is the minimum requirement. So if you're still on Windows 9, 8, or 7, sorry, this won't work for you. And yes, make sure it's 64-bit only. That's important. Okay, let's download it for Windows and get moving. It's downloading now, so while we wait, let's create our account. Click right here and sign up using Google. Let's log in with Google. You can fill this out however you like. I'll skip through these for now. And we're in. Perfect timing. It's downloaded. So let's install it. Now that the installation is done, let's launch Windsurf and finish setup. Here's the interface. Pretty sleek, right? You'll see an option to import settings from VS Code. So, if you've used Cursor AI or VS Code before and want to keep your preferences, you can import from here. But I'll start fresh. This guide is for everyone, especially beginners. So click on Start Fresh. We'll go with the default setup. Dark mode? Absolutely, I'm going with that. Moving on, we'll need to log in again here, so let's quickly do that. Here it is, the Windsurf interface where all the coding magic happens. You'll see options to open a folder or connect via GitHub, but for now, we'll simply open a local folder. This is also where you type your AI prompts. So let's pick a folder to store our project. For this demo, I've created a folder called Windsurf Project. Click Trust here. Yes, we trust the authors. Now we're inside our working directory, Windsurf Project. All the code and files will be saved right here. So just remember the folder path for future access. Here's a neat trick. Press Ctrl+L to open the prompt area called Cascade. This is where we tell the AI what to build. You'll see options to choose AI models. We'll select Claude 3.5 Sonnet. You can also attach images or files if needed, but for now, we'll keep it simple. Let's clear this and type our first prompt. Build a beautiful modern AI story generator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll use Google Gemini to generate stories. The site will create short stories based on prompts, genres, or keywords. Plus, we'll add features to customize the tone and style, like funny, horror, or romantic. So, in short, we're building an AI-powered story generator website. Let's hit send and see what Windsurf comes up with. Look at that. It says it'll help us build a beautiful story generator using Google Gemini, complete with responsive design. Let's go full screen and explore. Here we go. Index.html is done, style.css is ready, and script.js is set. Everything is generated instantly, no errors. Now that we have our main files, here's an important step. To actually use this site, you'll need using Google Gemini, complete with responsive design. Let's go full screen and explore. Here we go. Index.html is done, style.css is ready, and script.js is set. Everything is generated instantly, no errors. Now that we have our main files, here's an important step. To actually use this site, you'll need a Google Gemini API key. We'll add that to script.js. Head over to Google AI Studio. If you're step. To actually use this site, you'll need a Google Gemini API key. We'll add that to script.js. Head over to Google AI Studio. If you're unfamiliar with Google AI Studio, I've already made a full tutorial. You'll find the link in the description or in the card above. Don't miss it. Now, once you're on the site, click Get API Key, then generate your key. Let's go ahead and do that. Here's our API key. Treat this like a password. Do not share it. I'll delete this one after the video. Your key is tied to billing and usage limits, so keep it private. Let's copy this and head back to Codium Windsurf to add it. Paste the key in script.js, save it, and let's open the index. HTML. Right-click and open it. In your browser. Whoa, look at that. A stunning AI-powered story generator. Create amazing stories with the power of AI. This looks awesome. It even says, powered by Google Gemini, created with love. Now let's test it. I'll type in a prompt. A king and queen, fantasy, funny. Let's generate. Boom, just like that. A beautifully written story in a vibrant, fun tone. It's so smooth. And look, we can download the story in .txt format or copy it with a click. Super useful. Let's now head back to Windsurf and ask what more we can add to this project. I'll type, great, what other features can we add to this? Let's see what the AI suggests. Here it goes. It's offering enhancements like character name input, story setting, time period, and even text-to-speech playback. Plus, improved UI UX and saving preferences locally. Impressive, right? Text-to-speech, shareable stories, dynamic inputs. Let's accept the changes and check them out. Refreshing the page now. And look, we've got new features: genre, tone, character name, and even story setting options. We can pick a time period, like historical, and customize the style, descriptive or dialogue heavy. Now let's try another story. A boy and girl running through a forest. Generate. Wow, this is next level. The narration is vivid. In the depths of a somber and primeval forest. It even reads the story aloud. The only hiccup: the stop button isn't working. Let's refresh. Nope, still not working. Might need fixing. But other than that, we just built a fully functional, intelligent story generator. No coding, no debugging. And to be honest, I expected to hit a few snags along the way. I was ready to show you how to fix errors, but guess what? There were none. That's how good this tool is. Now it's your turn. Head to Windsurf, try building something yourself, and comment below with tougher challenges or errors you want me to tackle in upcoming videos. I'd love to cover more advanced features. And before we wrap up, if you've used Cursor AI before, let me know in the comments. Which one do you prefer? Windsurf or Cursor AI? I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.